So when I choose, so this is how you put it. We have assorted meat and fish here, dry fish. You're going to pound just one Scotch bonnet pepper because this soup is for you. Be careful, mind your eyes.
I'm free to longer.
So we're going to add red oil. She can say it's cooking as well.
No, she's not. She's just crying.
We are behind the scene. Sorry, my darling.
So this is stockfish and assorted meat.
I need to go wash my face.
So what next do you think we are adding? No.
Chicken cubes.
Good. So let's get. Yes, Jim. So let's get.
Chicken seasoning cubes.
I'll just put. It's so hard. I pound this inside here.
Oh my gosh! It's
Yes, and pound this one too.
okay.
So remove your face, man. I choose. Stop going too close like that.
Then
Then you mix it and pour inside the pot. Do you want to do it on me?
I want to do it.
You
But
say
can
me?
you help me?
I'm going to get all of it now. Turn. You think we still need more palm oil? So this much is good.
Yeah. I like to mix it. It smells like ogbonu soup already.
Let's give it a little time to cook.
How many minutes?
We are not timing it. When it's done, we'll know.
Let's do a little dance.
Shouldn't you want to drink water? Give Chemaka small.
Yeah.
No yogurt.
No yogurt, drink water, okay? Today you've been drinking yogurt.
You are the only one sweating. See, I'm not sweating. I've been cooking since, and I'm not sweating. You've been jumping around.
No, it's for all the chicken so long.
You've been holding chicken soup.
And these ogbonu soup ready.
No, now what's the next? I am going to add ogbonu.
This is gonna form it into ogbonu.
Yes, this is what is going to form it into the menu. Wait. I'm going to. You can do it with me.
Can I do it?
It's so hard. The heat is here. The heat is too much for you. Don't worry, let me do it. I'll just pour it inside.
Should I pour mine
You
inside?
just throw it inside. Throw it inside.
3, 2, 1.
I didn't say she throw you to make a splash. We are cooking. Is that how people cook?
No. How does that powder to make it look like ogbonu so much?
Because it's ogbonu seed.
Is it? No, do you mean is a seed that you can plant and your ogbonu will grow?
Yes.
Yes, it's a seed.
And
Ogbonu
you blend
seed.
it, when it's dry and you blend it, test it and tell me how it is.
Wait. Do you mean you can just plant ogbonu outside?
Yes. Yes, it's a seed. You plant it.
And it will
And
grow.
the ogbonu like this will come out.
You come out here. And you allow it to dry and you break it.
The ogbonu is a seed. When you plant it, it takes some time, a whole lot of time, years, to grow into a big tree. Then it starts making fruit. Then when the seed falls, when this wait. When the seed falls, you leave it to dry. Then you extract the seed from it and leave it out to dry, like peanuts. Maybe when you want to leave the peanut to dry, then you get the seed and blend it and use it to make soup.
Can I taste it now? has to be up to
Wait.
10.
You want to test it?
Okazi. Is it Okazi?
Oh, we need the leaves.
Oh, yeah.
Should have kept.
I was like thinking.
Just get this one
This
from
doesn't
the
look like ogbonu soup at all. That's how I was thinking, like.
Let me carry her.
Hopefully she won't start crying again.
Play.
No, really.
Oh, it's booming. I like it. 10 out of 10.
I'll put crayfish before, but I'll add a little more.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Careful. Jim. Yes. Yummy.
I give my turn.
You can add one milk. Don't have
It
it.
tastes so good. I mean, why is it like he's crumpling something?
That is out from the freezer.
Salo, Bundiara, Bundia. No, Rolling Hill. Yeah, let's go again. I love the mountains. I love the flowers. I love the right. All right, let's go. Let's charm me up. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Bundiara, 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 bundiara. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Bundiara, 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 bundiara. Thank you, mommy.
Oh, test it. Chemeka did not.
Thank you, Mona. Thank you, Chim, for helping mommy. Thank you, Chemeka. Thank you, Chikamso.
Mommy, can I have another one?
Of course. This is Mona's special soup. Blow it before you. Okay, guys, we are done cooking.
So, Mona, how many wraps are you going to eat tonight?
How many rice?
No. How many wraps of fufu swallow? How many wraps of swallow are you going to eat with this special soup?
Testing.
Two.
Two.